Hi, this is Koei from Knowledge Architecture. Let's go on a little adventure through the onboarding process at Consor on their intranet, Beacon. Here we are on the onboarding landing page in the home community, titled New Hires, Ready, Set, Go. The first thing you see is this lighthouse graphic in a basic image block on the left, with introductory text aligned to the right. Going with the Beacon nautical theme, we've got a welcome message from the CEO, a link to the employee handbook guide, and an introduction to the human resources team. These are custom icons in a basic image block with links added using the Manage Images options. Another basic image block here includes resources for building connections within the office, and below that, we have a table of information and links for financial logistics. Important things like getting paid and set up with benefits, and of course, how to fill out your timesheet. There's a whole section on safety because working at Consor often involves fun stuff like diving underwater, flying drones, and being suspended on ropes. But let's sail on back to the top of the page and click the Let's Get Started text link to see where that takes us. This page outlines the new hire journey. Once again, we have a custom graphic aligned to the left and introductory text on the right. What we have here is a breakdown of the onboarding checklist from your first day through your first month and beyond. For example, if it's my first week, I can see I need to make my benefit selections. I can click through the detailed benefits orientation PDF in this single document block, and then make my elections by clicking the appropriate link in this navigation block. I'll need to schedule a one-on-one with my manager, so here's a link to a page detailing both how to do so and what we might discuss. My dedicated HR partner will reach out to take me through the appropriate new hire presentation, all three of which are conveniently posted here in this basic document block. I can find out how to order business cards, if that's a thing I need. And I can't forget about safety. I need to read this 186-page manual and complete the safety training before requesting to check out the scuba equipment. And for any questions that come up along the way, helpful contacts are always shown in this employee block in compact grid layout in the right-hand column. Getting through the onboarding process at a new job can feel daunting, from filling out forms to mandatory training to getting to know your new team. But by breaking it down into smaller steps at predetermined intervals, Beacon's Ready, Set, Go makes the journey a breeze. Thank you to Consor for allowing us to share their new hire pages on Beacon. Please reach out if you have any questions, and happy building!